Hello everyone, it's Mr. Chris from Rockstar Ballet. Today we'll be working with tendus and tabliers, two nice basic movements in the ballet lexicon. Very important for your foundational development. And we have three very nice dancers here, Miss Aubrey and Miss Julia and Miss Elizabeth. So nice and easy. Two tendus front, tablier. We're going to slow this down and work it through. So get up on that front standing leg. Stay nice and square. You can reach forward through your back for some nice épaulement. Just don't lean past your hip, right? I want you to brush it down through the leg. Nice long legs. And then reach out and reach down through the floor to close the foot. Place the foot into that nice fifth position. Make sure that you are relaxed on the bar, that you don't have your thumb wrapped around the bar, because then your hand wants to grab, right? So make sure you maintain lightly on the bar. Push through that foot, transfer the weight fully to your standing leg, and then replace. These are nice tabliers to the side. They're not leaning too far. They have a little bit of épaulement on their upper body. Nice allongé through the arm, lengthen through the arm, and replace. Now let's slow it back down for the retrait, sliding up through the leg, keeping contact with your foot as you rise to the retrait to your leg. Place it right at the side of the knee, just a little bit in the front. That's retrait devant in the front. Maintain a nice position in the arms, shoulders nice and open. And when you let go of the bar, maintain your breathing. Don't hold your breath. It will change your position. It will make you pull back. Aubrey here is getting a nice little bit of extra balance. As she comes down, though, I'd like her to maintain the length of her standing leg as she replaces her other leg a little bit longer. And now we're back to the tendu derriere and a nice little bit of épaulement through the tablier. I would like all three ladies to actually move a little bit further through their tablier and go through to the foot as opposed to bringing the foot towards them. Yeah? And Julia there, nicely keeping the shoulders over the hips and maintaining that placement as she comes in and places the foot in and goes to the retrait. And Miss Elizabeth goes right to the position just nicely. Very nice job, ladies.